So we got 30 crazy doorbell camera clips. Let's get it.
A relatively new feature developed for home security systems. They provide protection at the front door, where a monitor has a built-in surveillance camera that allows you to view it from any tablet, phone or computer. Most of the time it's used for checking who of your friends arrived, or if the mailman dropped off any packages.
They be trashy for that.
These doorbell cameras capture incredible, funny and weird moments. Here are the craziest and funniest doorbell camera clips I could find on the internet. But first, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.
There's some weird people on this planet.
Seems to have had a little too much to drink and forgets that his dad's birthday party is meant to be a surprise.
Dude,
He told him.
the last one to show up to your own party. That is messed up. Your birthday party. What are you talking about? What?
Surprise party!
Surprise party?
Are you drunk?
Of course I am. It's a party.
You guys can come out. Derek messed this up.
It's fake.
I'm wondering where all the cars were.
How stupid can you be?
Cause you can't be this stupid.
Why didn't you just say it's a surprise party?
There's people here to see you. Happy birthday. Thanks a lot, Derek.
Oh, happy birthday. I'm sorry.
Family runs into the house in panic when a very loud thunder strikes. But the dad hilariously trips while running.
Ooh.
Porch Pirate is caught red-handed. Just as he runs up to the house at night and steals a package, the police turn around the corner and instant karma is served.
Love to see it. Oh, I love to see it. Yes. I love porch pirates getting caught.
This girl's Jamaican neighbor doesn't like trick or treat.
What?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Go lang yan. Before you get COVID, take your ass home.
She look grown as hell.
Neighbor gets instant
You don't take your
karma
big grown
for
ass
trying
home to the
destroy
store.
the Ring doorbell
Buy
camera.
candy. He lucky he had that coat on.
This Amazon worker just doesn't care anymore. He's done with running up to houses and laying the packages nicely by the door. Instead, break the glass door. But what he didn't realize was that it was all caught on the doorbell camera.
Nico! Come here! Look what happened! I just seen this. I ain't touched hit nothing, just seen this. I swear to God I didn't. I swear to God I didn't.
Karen harasses her neighbor, who she accuses of squatting. The woman lies and says she works for the state, but she's really just being a nosy and irritating neighbor.
Who are you? investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Girl, what?
Okay, so what are you looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
you okay?
Looks like you're on drugs.
Can't even see her.
So
that you're representing.
It doesn't matter.
You will be reported. So you're.
It doesn't matter.
Well,
It doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. No.
Some bitch at my
Okay. Oh, some bitch at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay?
You're a squatter. You're on my page. Get off of it.
These Karens ain't got nothing better to do.
You know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business, bitch.
Handle your business, bitch, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
Even if there are a lot of dreadful incidents that are caught on doorbell cameras, they can also be used for something wholesome. Like this clip, where a deployed dad gets messages halfway around the world from his kids.
Hi, Daddy. I miss you so much. I only miss you soon, Daddy. Because I really want you to come back.
Aww.
Bye, Daddy. I'm going to school to learn a lot. Dad, I love you so much. Come on soon. I love you. Hi, Dad. I got a new haircut. I love you so much. So much. Hi, Dad. I miss you a lot. Over there, she's doing it. It's her birthday today. I love you. Dad, I graduated from riding my bike now. All I need is for help is to push, then I'm all going by myself. There's no training wheels, Dad. How cool is that? I hope you come back soon. Bye, Dad.
Kid is hyped when the pizza arrives, and the delivery guy joins in, unaware of the doorbell camera capturing the funny moment.
Hi. How are you?
My mom's grabbing cash right now.
Alright.
Here you go.
This man is chased by a German Shepherd and tries to avoid it by jumping on top of a random car. But what he doesn't know is that the owner of the car is sitting inside of it.
Oh. I'm not getting down. I'm sorry. Whose big ass German Shepherd is that?
You good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
This woman is doing all that work for nothing.
Why they cut it off?
Are you kidding?
Old woman pulls a knife on her neighbor.
Ya le dije a usted que se mudaron de aquí hace mucho tiempo.
¿Se mudaron? Yo no sé. Yo vi a una vieja con un pie aquí.
No, no, no.
This Florida, ain't it?
Ya que la va a matar.
A ver. Y de ahí todo, que voy a llamar a la policía.
This person attempts to burn a Black Lives Matter flag.
I hope he get caught on fire.
Woman lost her wallet at Walmart, but she couldn't have been more lucky, as this wonderful Florida man drove to her house and returned it.
Camera recording.
Hey, how you doing? I found your wallet at Walmart. Well, I'm gonna put it by the Amazon boxes.
That was nice. Aww.
Thank you, report.
This dog mistakes the owner's hood for a furry toy, though it kinda looks like the dog tries to strangle her.
Oh my god. No one prepared you for what you do when this happens! This is not how I want to go out, Grissom.
Okay, after a while, it's not cute no more.
Let go of my hood.
Okay, it's time to let go.
Potential to be a pro athlete, or so they thought.
Dad, think fast. Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete. Oh!
No, he ain't. No, he not. That right there just proved that he not. Why you set him up like that? The universe said not. No, no, he not.
Perfect timing.
This kid went for a little longer ride this morning than expected as mom let go of the stroller, unaware that it keeps rolling away.
It's terrifying.
Oh, shit.
Fortunately, the kid didn't get hurt. This guy thinks the Ring doorbell is a bomb, and when he presses it, he runs to jump off the balcony from the 3rd floor stairs.
Fucking bomb. Oh.
Oh, he's tweaking.
This
you can see it in his face.
Shows a young woman abandoning her 3-year-old boy at a stranger's house. When the homeowner opened the door, she pushed the baby in the door and walked away.
So you're leaving your baby with me? And she said, yeah. I said, so you're abandoning your baby.
What's her name?
I don't know her name. I have no idea who she is.
The woman was later arrested and charged for unlawful desertion of a child and child neglect. She also said she abandoned her son because he had gotten sick with scabies, a contagious itchy skin rash, and could apparently no longer take care of him. The kid was placed in the care of a child welfare. What a terrible mother. This man is ding-dong ditching in the middle of the night, and for some reason he's also fully naked.
People weird, dude.
This dancing mailman is having a great day at work.
Mailmen are the best.
I love those things. I don't know why. They're so addicting. It's like not even real cheese, but it's so good. Cheers.
This cat is desperately trying to alert the owner to open the door.
Oh, let the kitty in.
This guy delivering a package is terrified of the homeowner's dog.
Yeah, I got a package. No! Get your dog! Ah! Ah! Get your dog! 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 Get your dog!
Get the dog! Get the dog. Okay, like at that point, oh, look at the dog though.
If the person in this next clip was chased by that dog, he would probably pass out. Because this guy is screaming for his life while running away from a little chihuahua. Segway trick doesn't go as planned.
Oh, you done broke their door.
Imagine
Goofball.
having a creepy neighbor like this one. He just walks up to the camera, stares into it for a while, and then walks away.
I'm buying a shotgun. There's no. See, that's what I'm saying. These cameras need some spray. I will spray him right in the face. What is that?
Someone please tell this man what to do.
Molly!
Hello.
Molly!
Hey, what I should do?
Molly! Come here! Molly!
What I should
Molly! In!
And to end this video, let me show you something that is always funny. A video of someone...
Look at his ankles.
These clips make me wonder about all the crazy things that have happened, but weren't captured on camera. Luckily, doorbell cameras have become very popular recently, and
I need to get one.
tons of funny clips like these. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell.
As a person who used to carry the mail, I used to work for the post office. Some of those dog clips are not funny but they are actually funny because I wasn't chased by a dog, but I've had dogs burst out of the door at me and I was never attacked, but you can definitely tell that the dog was defensive because I have a dog, so I can tell the way my dog barks. I can tell when he's being defensive and when he's just barking just to be barking at shit. And this dog that was barking at me sounded very, very terrifying. It sounded very defensive. I've never been chased like I said, but I've definitely had dogs jump out at me when I was putting the mail in the box. Maybe about 3 times. There have been one time though where the people had an invisible fence or whatever, and I didn't know that. Bitch, I'm from the hood. I've never heard of an invisible fence in my entire life. And where I carried mail was in the suburbs, and apparently they have invisible fences, but bitch, I don't know that. I'm walking in the yard and this dog just magically appears out of nowhere. And when I step into the street, it stops. And I'm like, what? Can y'all tell people this? Of course the regulars know that because that's their route. But me being, I forgot what it's called, but it was like an assistant, like a mail carrier assistant or whatever. I didn't know that. And they don't leave notes. Well, some do, but the ones that I carried for, they didn't leave notes about, this house has an invisible fence. So woo, woo, woo. But yeah, this was kind of funny. I need to really get me one of these doorbell cameras because for one, it'll just be so funny to capture the shit that be going on. And for two, I've had my packages stolen before. So I definitely need to invest in one of those. But if you guys enjoyed my reaction, make sure to leave some likes and comments. Let me know down below what else y'all want me to react to. And I will see y'all in my next reaction video.